Hello friends, good morning. Today I am going to tell you about high conversation. So we start. Before starting, please subscribe my channel, ring the bell icon for ring the bell icon, and then touch all notification to get other notifications. So we start. Peter and Jenny are good friends. Peter is introducing his friend Harry to Jenny. Hi Jenny, good morning. Good morning Peter, how are you? I am fine, thanks. How are you doing? I am doing great. Meet Harry, he is my friend. Hi Harry, nice to meet you. Hi Jenny, nice to meet you too. Harry is here for the weekend. Great, we will have lots of fun, sure. Now Anna has given a party to her friends. It's almost 9 in the night and everybody is bidding her goodbye. Let's take a look at different ways of bidding farewell. I am getting late. I should go. Bye. Okay, see you later. See you tomorrow, Anna. Are you coming along, Jenny? Yes, I am. Wait for me, Peter. It was nice meeting you, Anna. Goodbye. Same here, Jenny. See you. Would you come tomorrow? No, I don't think I can. I am sorry. All right then, Anna. Good night. Good night to both of you. Take care. Bye. So friends, our next topic are sports conversation. Harry and Anne are talking about the English soccer legend David Beckham. Okay, so we start. Oh, so you are watching soccer? Yes, I like to watch Beckham playing. So you are a Beckham fan? Yes, I watch soccer just because of him. My friends are meeting to watch FIFA together this evening. Can I join you all? Sure, why not? I am going to market in the evening. I will reach there as soon as possible. That will be fine. See you at 7 sharp. Father and daughter are talking about the Lisa's lawn tennis match. So we start. Hi dear, how are you? Seems busy. Yes, I am dad. Yes, I am dad. I am preparing for my tennis match. How is it going? Good, but I need to work more on my backhand shot. Do you need any help? Yes, I do. I will be great if you join me. Can you? Yes, I can. Great. Let's go to stadium tomorrow at 6. No, let's make it 5:30. Fine, sharp 5:30. Hello. Our next topic is daily routine conversation. Alex talking about his everyday schedule at hostel with his mom. Do you wake up so late in hostel too? No mom, I wake up there at 6 a.m. every day. What time do you have your breakfast then? Breakfast is always at 8 in the morning. Mom, when does Anna go to school? She usually goes to school at 10:30 a.m. I go to school at 11 a.m. regularly. Okay. Do you go to watch movies sometimes? Yes, we do, but not so often. Does Anna ever miss me? She definitely does. After all, she is your little sister. Does dad go on tour frequently? He seldom goes on tour these days. Margaret runs into Scott and decides to meet George, their common friend. Margaret, hello Scott, have a cup of tea. Thanks, but I don't take tea. I don't remember when did we must last. In the public library, but we don't go there now. Then Margaret points at a boy. Margaret, don't you think he is George? Oh yes, he is George. He is. He doesn't wear glasses now. Let us meet him. Scott to George. Hello George, how are you? Fine, thanks. You both don't look busy. You are right. We don't have any company here. Don't worry. We don't need anybody now. Hello friends, our fourth topic is happy journey conversation. A passenger is inquiring about trains at the reservation. Can you give me some information? Sure, sir. How can I help you? I want to go to Oxford. What times does the next train leave? Trains for Oxford leave every hour. What time do you want to reach there? I want to reach there by 5 pm. How long does it take to reach? It takes 6 hours approximately. Do you want to travel in an AC coach? Yes. What's the fare? It's 550 for AC. Please book a ticket for me. Is the train on time? Yes, it's on time. Do you have change? No, I am sorry. Can you manage? Sure. Here is your ticket and change. Emma and William, two acquaintances, run into each other at the airport, but by chance and are catching up. Hi William, where are you going? Hi, I am not going anywhere. I have come here to receive my parents. So they are coming today. Where are they coming from? They are coming from Paris by Air France flight. What about you? I am going to London by Air India. At what time does your flight leave? At 5:30 in the morning. Are you staying here until then? Yes, I am. Air France flight arrives at 6 am here. Do you often go to UK? Not very often. I go when my elder brother calls me. He works there. Do you have your passport and tickets ready? It's check in time now. Yes, here they are. Thanks. Hello friends. Our fifth topic is city visit. This is a conversation between a tourist, a policeman and a city dweller. Tourist to policeman. Good morning officer, can you tell me how to get to this address? My son lives in flat there. Have you come here for the first time? Do you have some idea of this town? I don't have any idea. Go to the bus stand and take bus number 4 for town hall. Thanks. At town hall to a citizen. Excuse me, I have a problem finding this address. Please help me. Walk to the corner and turn left. It's a short distance down the street. I have got no experience of this place. Can you accompany me? Sorry, I have got to go. But don't worry, it's nearby. It's a conversation between Jerry and Rita, who are new in a city and are looking for a way to reach the fort on time. You have a camera, Rita? Yes, I have. Great. We have to reach the fort on time. We have to catch the bus, but we don't have the road map. Let us ask the shopkeeper if he had got a city bus route chart. I have already asked him. He hasn't got one. There is a travel agency. They may have one. Hey, there is a signboard at the bus stop. It has a map also. Oh, great. At least we have the directions figured out now. Hello friends, our next topic is vacation. Robbie's friend Alex has just booked his tickets to Goa for a vacation and he is sharing it with him. Robbie, where were you? Where were you? I was looking for you all over. I was at the bus station to book my tickets to Goa. It is a great place. My friend was there last summer. There was a big queue at the booking counter. Did you get the tickets then? I was lucky to get them. Where did your friend stay in Goa? She was at Club Mahendra. What about you? I was to book Citadel Goa, but got the booking with El Fresco. Are you going alone? No, we are four friends on this trip. Great, take a lot of pictures. It's supposed to be the best time of year. Robbie and Alex are talking about Alex's trip to Goa. Hi Alex, how was your trip? I enjoyed a lot. We went to beach. We drank feni and ate fresh cashew nuts. Did you visit the church? Yes, we visited the church. We also took the ferry ride. I got a beach cap for you. Okay, thanks. It's quite nice. The beach was beautiful. We swam and slept on the sand. Oh, great. My friend went to market. They were busy shopping for Goan arts. Goan arts. So it was a pleasant time. Yes, I never went to such an amazing place. Hello friends, our 8th topic is traffic rules. William and Harry are meeting to discuss about things to be done during the day. Hi Harry, I was calling on your cell phone last night but you didn't answer. Yes, I was driving the car. The traffic was heavy. Good, you should not pick the phone while driving. I went to pick my mother from her office. She was waiting for me. Maria wanted to talk to you. She was asking about your new car. Yes, I was at the showroom when she called. Let's go to her house and meet her. She went shopping with her parents. I hope they are back. Okay, let me check. I will call her. Sure, then come to my house. We will go to her place. Oliver has purchased a new car and has invited Charlie for a ride. Hi Charlie, come sit inside. Your new car is beautiful. Congratulations. Thank you. See, they have given a road rule booklet too. Did you read it? No, I didn't. Let's read it together. You should not drive rash. Did you follow it? Yes, I did. I did not drive rash. Earlier too. I just drove at 40 to 60 km per hour. You should not break the traffic signal. No, I did not. I blew the horn, waited for the clear space, and then found my way. There are other rules too. Read them so that you make no mistakes. Hello friends, our next topic is mechanic workshop. Clark is facing some trouble with his car and goes to mechanic for help. Yes, what can I do for you? I have tried to start my car, but it didn't work. Have you driven it in past few days? No, I have been out of town. Have you faced this sort of trouble before? No, I have bought this car recently. I haven't checked The engine let me do that. I have insured my car. Do we need to call the insurance agent? No, let me first find out the exact problem. Okay, please continue. I will come in the evening and check with you. Clark has come to the garage for his car problem and wants to know what was the problem with his car. Have you checked the car? Yes, but I haven't checked the battery yet. I will need some more time. Why haven't you checked it? It's already late. The engine has taken the complete day. Please fix it as soon as possible. Can I collect it tomorrow at the same time? Sure, sir. I think there is some trouble in the battery. Then we can talk to the company. They certainly they haven't checked the car properly before delivering it. Thanks for your help. It's my job. Please collect your car tomorrow morning. Hello friends, our next topic is hotel. Kathy and Sam are visiting a new city for a meeting and are planning their stay there. Have you been to this place before, Sam? No, I have never been here. But I think you have been here a couple of times. Yes, my company has been arranging meetings in this hotel. Which rooms had been booked for us? I think 402 and 403. Let me check. Have you ever stayed in any other hotel in this town? Yes, but this has been the best of all. Let's go to the travel desk to book for the evening trip to the city. Sure, this city looks beautiful in the night. I have been told for shopping also. Please do take me to the mall. Why not? We will go to the mall road tomorrow night after meeting. Maria and Scott are meeting after a long time. Below is a conversation of two friends catching up. Hi Scott, how are you? Where have you been all these years? Hi Maria, I am fine. I have been in London. So good to run into you. Oh, that's wonderful. How long have you been in London? I have been there for last 5 years. What are you doing these days? I have been working as senior marketing manager with a pharmaceutical company. And where are you living? I have been in Japan and now I am moving to Canada. How long were you in Japan? I have been there for 3 years. What about your family? I have been married for last 6 years and have a baby boy. What about you? I haven't got married yet. Please come for dinner sometime. Sure, I will meet your family too. We should keep in touch. So, please friends subscribe my channel and ring the bell icon for unlimited. Thank you.